Good morning, Niskara. I am so excited to announce that we officially have our bowling dates. I am super excited for us to be able to get to walk to a bowling alley for those of you who have earned it. I first want to say thank you so much to you guys and your patience while I got everything figured out and planned. So this Friday, November 19th, we will be going bowling, and Monday, November 22nd, we're going to be bowling. So your teachers, if you have earned it, will be giving you a permission slip. Your permission slip needs to come back. It has to come back, otherwise you will not be able to go. And you will also need to bring $3. Please make sure you give your permission slip to your parents as soon as you get it from your teacher. Lastly, I want to talk about some rules and expectations. First off, we're going to be walking. It's 2 blocks. It's going to be kind of chilly. So make sure you bring a winter coat, a winter hat, some gloves, some comfortable shoes, because it is going to be a walk. Secondly, so that means when Mr. Owens or Mr. Winsey talks about pedestrian safety, it's super important that we pay attention to that. Secondly, when we get there, you're going to bowl. You're going to have bowling balls. You're going to roll them down the bowling lane, and you're going to get to hit some pins. Now, we're not going to be able to put our names up on the screen or anything like that, but we're just going to go down, have fun, 45 minutes. When you go bowling, you're representing Niskara Elementary School. The gentleman who owns it knows some of our teachers, so we need to make sure we do the best that we can. It is incredibly important that we represent Niskara well. So, we're going to be walking. We have to be extra careful when we get there. And lastly, we got to have fun. Those of you who have earned it, this is a reward for your behavior. Those of you who haven't earned it, I know you can do it next month. We're halfway through November and you can do it. I know you can. I think we're talking about maybe some cookie decorating in December. So make sure we get our behaviors in check. We can be the best because we are the best. And I know each and every one of you can do it. If your parents have questions, if you have questions, please feel free to ask your teachers. Your parents can reach out to me. And I just look forward to seeing all of your smiling faces that have earned this incentive. Remember, this is for your behavior. We know and you know what we expect of you. So let's make sure we turn it around and let's make sure we make Ernie proud. I look forward to having fun with all of you and talk to you soon.